Relax on her.
Come on, Lucy.
Oh yeah, we just got her.
Yeah.
She's all fur
Look at
though.
her. Oh.
She weighs 4 pounds now.
Wow.
Lucy, look at
Still got that really soft.
yeah, fur, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that little puppy. See? Look at that little girl.
And that cute little
There we
harness.
go.
Yeah.
And she hasn't chewed her leash yet.
She doesn't like walking. It's crazy. She usually comes out and just flops down.
She's
She-
scared.
Oh my
Because
God.
you guys are like giants to her.
Yeah.
She's
Hi there, Lucy. How you doing? Look at her.
Okay, now don't scare.
She must be what, about 3 months old now or older?
Yeah, 16 weeks. So.
16 weeks. Okay,
Yeah.
4 months then.
Yeah,
She says, too much.
Not exactly a giant, is she?
but she's so
She's
tiny
sweet.
in there. So
Oh, she's so cute, Bonnie.
Oh, you could
Good,
put her in
good.
one of those handbags and
That's
just
right,
carry her in
that's
the stores with you and
Look at
everything.
her tail.